Hey y'all, so I'm back with another natural hair tutorial and we're gonna jump right on in. So as you all can see, my hair is blown out and we're just gonna go ahead and start with our product. So you're gonna need some combs, your transitioning milk, your bobby pins, and a hair tie. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is just begin to plait our hair. So you all know I love a good side part, but for this look in particular, I'm gonna divide my hair directly down the middle, both horizontally and vertically. All right, so my goal here is just to divide my hair into 4 large sections. So as I mentioned before, in regards to hair products, I'm not really going to use any for this hairstyle just because I've already conditioned, deep conditioned, and oiled and moisturized my hair. So that moisturizer was just something extra. So now that my hair is completely parted, we're just going to get one section to really focus on, okay? A lot of you all ask how I style my blowouts, and so that's what this video is really about. So basically what I'm going to do after I section off my hair into even smaller parts, I'm just going to band two knot them, and I'm going to band two knot them dry. If your hair has been blown out longer than mine, then yeah, you may want to add some moisture to it, but this was a fresh blowout, so I'm just doing everything completely dry. So if you're new to my channel and you're not exactly sure how to band two knot, no worries, you know I got you covered. I actually have a tutorial about band two knot, so you could go ahead and check that out. However, if you already know how to do band two knots and you just kind of want to see the process and what this is going to look like on blown out hair, then this one is specifically for you. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Okay y'all, so we're halfway done. So just hang in there with me just a little bit longer. Well, that's a wrap, ladies. Y'all know what time it is. It is now time for us to wrap our hair, and I will see y'all on day 2. So now that it's day 2, it is time for us to take down our band two knots. So all I'm going to do at first is gently unravel them. Okay ladies, now that that is complete, it is now time for us to take down our 2-strand twist. As you all know, to prevent frizz, you can go ahead and put some oil on your hands and take down your twist. However, like I mentioned earlier, I've already done all of that, so I will not be applying any oil to this hairstyle. So one thing that I love about doing twist outs or even band two knots on blown out hair is the amount of body and volume that it gives you. Y'all, look at this right here. Okay, I absolutely love it. So we're pretty much done. The last thing that I'm going to do for this look is just separate some of my twists to, again, give it more body and bounce and volume. So that part is completely up to you, but I prefer when my hair is more full, and since it is picture day, I need all of the life that I can get, okay? Okay y'all, so this is it. This is the finished product. I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial just as much as I have enjoyed doing this tutorial. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And not only that, but make sure that you stay tuned for a little bit longer to see an exclusive look of some of my graduation photos. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.